Hello, all you groovy dudes out there. This is a Hit B, and it's time for another great recipe, cooking with honey. Take it away.
I've spent years searching both this world and its twin, looking for a place that I might belong more than a shadow to all my sin. Now maybe it's time to step up like I've never seen a better reason why. Come here, darling, I'm gonna lose me in those flashing hot amber lights. Try to be the word when you can't listen. I try to be the voice when you can't sing. I try to be the eyes that you see through when darkness covers everything. I wanna rescue you from your nightmares and be a part of all your dreams. I wanna be the eyes that you see through when darkness covers everything.
We're back here in the tent. You're gonna wave? And it's cold in here too. But we got the fire going down there. We gotta get everything warmed up first. Get my feet warm, get my hands warm. And then we're gonna cook something good to eat. Okay, we're ready to go. Avocado oil in this pot, like that. 2 tablespoons. The onions are in there, and we're gonna give them a head start and let them cook in the avocado oil. Let that heat up. We'll be back.
We got onions.
Onions are cooking and they're getting hot. So we're going to add a couple cloves of garlic. That's 1, that's 2, a little bit.
So 4 cloves of garlic, translated.
And on this plate we have peppers, yellow, red, and oranges. And it's all going in there. They're going to be mixed up with everything else.
Those are regular oranges, not like orange peppers.
Yeah, those are the regular oranges. This is salt with rosemary in it. Rosemary and salt. We'll put a little bit of that in there like that. This is a little bit of soy sauce, a little sodium. We're going to put a couple tablespoons of that in there.
Oh, look at that.
Looking good.
Colorful.
Ginger. Some ginger. Oh, that's a good amount of ginger. Gave it to it good. And we're going to also put some honey right in there. And this is Hit B honey. You can go to the hitbee.com to get some of our honey from our bees. And the flowers and the bees in my area work together to make a nice dark honey that's full flavored. You'll love it. And it's so good, I'm going to put in a little bit extra with this. Honey teriyaki kind of sauce we're making. All right. We're going to mix that all up. Take a look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic?
Smells good.
And then we're going to add the last ingredient, which is some chicken tenderloin. We're going to add right on here. We're going to mix that up. Okay. How's that look? Look at that. Now we're going to put the cover on. And we're going to seal this. And we're going to let it cook. We got some rice going back there. And we're going to check this out.
Look at the steam coming out of that hole on top. That's gotta be done.
Steam.
Holy moly.
Steam. Look at that. That look great.
Oh yeah.
Has a nice sauce down there that we're gonna put all that over some rice, and that looks done. So we're gonna take this off and we're gonna meet at the table. We'll put it on a plate. All right, here we are. Looking good. He's gonna put that over there, and we'll have to dump some of that juice on the rice. All right, that's the way it is, and we're gonna meet you over at the table, and we'll try this out and tell you how it is. Here we are, in our corner of the tent here.
The dining room.
The dining corner. And this looks really good, smells really good. And we're gonna give it a taste.
Ooh. It certainly will. That's got great flavor. I love the oranges. It's like a Chinese dish.
Yeah, fantastic. That's really good. I'm gonna take another bite.
I can make this dish every night. It's great.
Yeah. That's amazing. You gotta try it sometime.
And there you have it. Yummy, yummy. If you need honey, visit thehitbee.com.